Yodeling, a form of singing that alternates between deep, resonant chest tones and bright, soaring head notes in rapid succession, has been designated by UNESCO as Intangible World Cultural Heritage. But what does this mean for the still practiced Swiss tradition?
UNESCO
and the recognition from UNESCO open many doors for us that we urgently want to open, so that folk music, folk singing and yodeling will once again find a place in the classrooms.
There are more than 12,000 yodelers in Switzerland and 711 groups in the Swiss Yodeling Association, according to the Swiss government.